Today we're going to clean out the plumbing inside this spa. And what I mean by clean out the plumbing, over a period of time a lot of biofilm tends to develop inside the plumbing. Kind of like the arteries in your heart. It just constricts with different kinds of things, and next thing you know, you're not getting full flow or you're having a heart attack. Basically it's the same thing. So what we're going to do today is clean out the plumbing in the spa. We're going to take out the biofilm. Biofilm causes you to use more chemicals than you normally need because the chlorine or the sanitizer is trying to attack what's there. So what we want to do is remove what's there. And we're going to do that with a product called Total Cleanse. Remove the filter, making sure there's nothing inside here that'll go inside the plumbing because there's no filter to protect it. And we're going to open up this little jar, and it's good for 2 applications. A little trusty spoon here. And I'm going to put half of this little bottle into the water, and then I'm going to turn on the pumps. And what's going to happen is you're going to see a lot of ugly stuff come out. Just give it a few minutes. This is about 5 minutes into the purge. Notice all the stuff that's coming out of the plumbing lines and the tub. And after about 20 minutes, this is what we get. This is all coming from the plumbing. So if you have a hot tub that's several years old, you need to purge your plumbing and make it a lot softer and easier to take care of. Spraying it all for a cool sign.